Hi everybody, so today our lesson is going to be over two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes, how to differentiate the two, and then we'll be able to say the amount of faces, vertices, and edges these shapes have. So what is a two-dimensional shape? A two-dimensional shape is flat. It has length and height. It's flat. If we were to set it on a table, it's just going to be flat. Some examples of like 2D objects that we see every day is paper, leaves is another one. A three-dimensional shape has 3 dimensions. It has length, height, and width. So an example of this would be like a book, a box, or a can. It's 3D. So there's different ways we can describe shapes. So 3 of these ways that we're going to talk about is the vertices, the amount of vertices, the amount of edges and faces that these shapes have. So what are faces? Faces are flat surfaces on an object. Like this would be a face, and then the bottom, and then another one, and just this one would have this one, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5. Okay. So edges are lines where 2 faces meet. 1 face, 2 face, and then this would be the edge. Vertices are where 3 corners or more come together on the shape. So like right here, there's more than 3 points coming together. So that would be the vertices. So let's look at our shapes today. Do you know what this shape is? Good, it's a cube, okay? So we have different, let's try to find the faces on this cube. So we have the top and we have the bottom. This side in the front, and then this side in the back, and this side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Hold on. Face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's correct. 6. Okay, vertices. We said the vertices were where the corners of where 3 or more points come together. So vertices would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Oh, and then this one right here, 8. So 8 vertices on the cube. Edges. Let's do our edges in green, so it's a different color. Edges we said were where the line where the 2 faces come together. So there. So we have 1 edge here, 1 edge there, 1 edge there, 1 edge there, 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 there. Another one right here, right here, right here, and right here. So we have 4 on top, 4 on bottom. That's 8. And then this side, this side, this side, and this side. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Okay. What about our next shape? Do y'all know what our next shape is? It's a triangular prism. Very good. Okay, so faces. We have this triangular face, the one over here, the one on this side, the one on this side, and then the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces. And now let's do the vertices. The vertices we said were where the 3 points come together on our shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So 6 vertices on our triangular prism. And then edges, let's do this one. Edges we said were, again, where the 2 faces come together. So I'm gonna do squares, so maybe that will not get us confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So 9 edges on our triangular prism. Now let's do the rectangular prism. Faces, 1 on the side, 1 in the front, 3 on the back, 1 on the back, and then 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, 1 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. 6 faces on our rectangular prism. And then our vertices, we're gonna find out where the 3 points connect on our prism. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So 8 vertices. And now let's do our edges where the 2 faces meet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 edges on that one. Okay, now these 2 bottom ones are very similar. They're both pyramids. So one is a square-based pyramid, and then this other one is a triangular-based. They're very similar, but they will have a different amount of faces, vertices, and edges. So let's do the edges. We have 1 in the front, 1 on that side, 1 on that side, 1 on this side, and then 1 on the bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. It's a little hard to see, but it's the same as this one. It's square based, it's triangular. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the bottom. Okay, so edges. Let's do vertices, okay? Where the 3 points or more come together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it on here also so we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So 5 vertices. And now our edges. Edges, again, we said were where the 2 faces come together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges on that one. And again, let's see if we can try to figure them out here because it's a little harder to see on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So let's compare it to our triangular based pyramid. So faces, it has the one in the side over here, the one on this side over here, and then the one on the front and the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. And then let's find our vertices, which is the point where the 3 of the points come together. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We have 4 vertices on that one. And I can make a triangular based one so we can see it also. 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, and then 4 face. The vertices we said were where the 3 points come together. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then we're gonna find the edges. We said that the edges were the line where 2 faces come together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Let's find that on here. So edges, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, correct. Okay, so we have a worksheet we can do together. You can work with a partner, and then if anybody has any questions, y'all feel free to ask. So yeah, that's it for today.